Here with Madison Berg. A Star is Born. This is one of her final projects today in class. She's finishing up on her. How long have you been designing flowers, Miss Madison?
Just a week.
A week, yeah. She's a rock star. How was the course?
It was a lot of fun. I learned a lot.
I'll say. She went from 0 to 60. I'm going to look at some of her other projects over here today. What do you do with your newfound talents?
I plan on becoming a flower arranger.
She should be.
Yeah.
She's really sweet and really good. Here's her bridal bouquet. I already have it packed up for her. Here is her centerpiece. Minneapolis School of Flower Design. We found a surprise right here in Minneapolis. She's fantastic. Congratulations, Madison. Graduates with flying colors. Bravo.